Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking hardware. Identify the TV HDMI ARC or eARC port and the HDMI cable rating. Once done, power on the TV and external amp or soundbar so they can handshake. Make sure the audio device is set to receive HDMI input. That enables device discovery. You should also set TV speaker output to external audio, not TV speakers, to avoid double sound. This establishes a controlled signal path and prevents mismatched formats during the next steps. Now you go into the TV audio menu to select HDMI ARC or eARC as the output. Choose the audio format. Use auto pass-through for surround formats, PCM for stereo-only devices. This ensures compatibility and better latency. Make sure TV volume control is off or set to fixed if your receiver will control sound. Otherwise, you get conflicting levels. Once these options are saved, allow the TV to reinitialize the HDMI handshake, so the correct channels and sample rates are negotiated. Finally, play test content with known audio channels or run the TV's tone test to confirm audio output. If you hear nothing, check cable seating and that HDMI is in the labeled ARC port. Sometimes a port swap breaks the handshake. Make sure CEC is enabled if your remote should control the receiver. If problems persist, power cycle the TV and audio device, unplug for 10 seconds, and try a different HDMI cable. This usually fixes handshake, sampling rate, or format negotiation issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.